In fact, beautiful morning. Today is real morning because we are mourning. Rastafari don't say morning. So today we are mourning for our fallen hero, Raila Odinga. This man was minister, yeah man, in Kenya. And the man he has been an MP for many years and he has been vying for the position of presidency in Kenya. By the way, this is the real man of the people in Kenya. This is the real people's president in Kenya. So we are missing him. This is part of the Luo tribe because, as you know, the Luo are scattered all over Africa and across the world. We have the Luos in Uganda, we have the Luos in Nigeria, we have the Luos in Ethiopia, the Anuak people. Yes, man. So the Raila Odinga people, these are the Luos of Kenya. By the way, the word Kenya comes from the first Luo king. His name was Menya. The first Luo king in Egypt was Menya. That's why when you check it out, the word Kenya is a brother to the word Menya, which means the Luos are the ones who started even Kenya, the nation of Kenya. Mark my words. So as today we are mourning for our fallen hero, the people's hero, Raila Odinga, may the whole world mourn with us. And all those who are concerned, may the whole world. Thank you so much, Vibes Cartel, Sisla Kalonji, Rastafari in Bobo Shanti. I can see people across Jamaica, people down in UK, people in the US, all trying to mourn for Raila Odinga. So may we come together in solidarity, trying to say, rest in power, the legacy of Raila Odinga, the Luo hero, Holy Manuel Selassie, Jah Rastafari.